Welcome back to Decor Catalog, your one-stop destination for the latest and most inspiring home decor ideas. In today's video, we are exploring something that often goes unnoticed but plays a big role in both aesthetic and security: modern window grill designs. Modern grills have come a long way from the simple traditional bars we used to see. Now they are stylish, creative, and can completely transform how your home looks from the outside and inside. So, if you are planning to remodel your home or just want to give your windows a fresh new look, stay tuned till the end because we are going to discuss the latest trends, materials, and styles that perfectly blend security, functionality, and design elegance. Modern design trends are all about simplicity and balance, and that's exactly what minimalistic window grill offer. Straight, clean lines and geometric patterns like squares, rectangulars designs are among the most popular choices today. These patterns not only give a sleek and contemporary appearance but also allow more natural light and ventilation to flow in. For modern apartments or urban homes, geometric grills in matte black or metallic finishes look especially stunning against neutral or pastel colored walls. If you love symmetry and a clutter free look, this design category is perfect for you. One of the most existing developments in modern grill design is laser cut technology. These grills are crafted from materials like stainless steel, iron, or aluminum and cut with high precision to create intricate artistic patterns. From floral motifs to abstract art, laser cut grills can be customized to match your overall home theme. Whether it's minimalistic, contemporary, or even traditional with a modern twist, they are double as decorative screens, making them ideal for both exterior and interior use. Plus, their smooth finish and corrosion resistance make them a durable and low maintenance option perfect for modern homes. For homeowners who want to maintain security without compromising on elegance, the combination of glass and grill is becoming increasingly trendy. Here's the grill design is usually placed either inside or outside a glass window, blending functionality with style. The contrast of clear glass and metallic patterns creates a refined upscale appearance, great for living rooms, bedrooms, and even balconies. A popular approach is pairing black and metal grills with frosted or tinted glass for a luxurious look that maintains privacy while still allowing soft light to pass through. If you want your home to look sleek and contemporary, consider horizontal or vertical bar grills. These designs are simple yet powerful. They create an illusion of spaciousness, especially when used with wide window frames or sliding windows. Horizontal grills are excellent for modern villas or bungalows where the design language is more linear and geometric. On the other hand, vertical bars give a touch of height and elegance, perfect for smaller apartments where you want to elongate the visual appearance of windows. This style pair beautifully with aluminum or powder coated finishes that resist rust and maintain their charm for years. For those who like to bring an artistic flair to their homes, decorative window grills are a great way to express personality and creativity. Designs inspired by nature like leaves, vines, or floral motifs are trending in 2025, offering a beautiful blend of organic and modern elements. These types of grill offers work well in garden facing windows or balconies where they complement the natural surroundings. If you prefer something more elegant, you can also choose curved or wrought iron inspired patterns that add a classic charm with a contemporary twist. Wood is making a big comeback in window designs, and when paired with metal, the results are absolutely stunning. Wood and metal combination grills bring warmth, textures, and sophistication to your interior. For example, sleek black metal bars set against a natural wooden frame create a bold yet balanced aesthetic. This combination fits perfectly with both modern and rustic home styles, making it versatile and timeless. You can even use treated or laminated wood that's weather resistant to ensure long term durability. With smart homes becoming more common, functionality and flexibility have become essential. That's why floating and sliding grill systems are among the hottest trends right now. These designs allow homeowners to often fold or slide the grill panels whenever needed, providing easy cleaning access and better airflow. They are perfect for large windows, patio doors, or balcony spaces, available in various materials like aluminum or stainless steel. These systems blend convenience with style, giving your home a high modern feel. While black and silver remain timeless choices, modern homes are now experimenting with bolder and warmer finishes. Matte bronze, gold, and powder coated white grills are gaining popularity, especially in minimalistic interiors. This subtle color enhances your home's architecture without overpowering it. For outdoor facing windows, metallic and weather resistant coating are recommended to maintain a polished look for years. So there you have it, the latest modern window grill design ideas that combine security, aesthetic and innovation. Whether you prefer minimalistic, geometric lines, decorative motifs or tech-inspired options, these designs to match every home styles and personality. Remember, your window grill is more than just a safety features, it's a design statement that adds beauty and character to your living space. If you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Decor Catalog for more inspiring home decor content. If you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Decor Catalog for more inspiring home decor content. And let me know in the comments which window grill design was your favorite. Until next time, keep decorating your dream home with Decor Catalog. Thank you.